Friends, welcome to physics class. Now, in this class, we discuss about how to convert the degree Celsius scale into Kelvin scale, or the Kelvin scale is converted into degree scales. It is that important relation. Now, we will solve some problems based on to convert one scale to another scale. The temperature of a steel rod is 330 Kelvin. Its temperature in degrees Celsius is question mark. Okay, students, what is the given? The temperature of a steel rod is 330 Kelvin. Its temperature in degrees Celsius. Here, what is the given? The temperature of steel rod is in Kelvin scale, 380 Kelvin scale. Now, this scale is converted into degree Celsius. We have to solve this problem. We can use the formula of temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay, students, we solve the given problem. The Kelvin scale is converted into degrees Celsius scale. Use that the formula temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus temperature in degrees Celsius. It is shorthand notation by Kelvin. K is equal to 273 plus temperature in degrees Celsius. K is equal to 273 plus 0 degrees Celsius. That is, the value of 273 is added to the temperature in degrees Celsius. We will get the answer, the temperature on Kelvin scale. Here, in this given problem, what is the given? The temperature of a steel rod is 380 Kelvin. And here given the scale, Kelvin scale, its temperature is equal 330. Therefore, hence 330 is equal 273 plus degree Celsius. Degree Celsius. Okay, here 330 is equal to 173 plus degrees Celsius. The terms which are the present, the left side of the symbol of is equal is called LHS. The left hand side terms Next, these are known as a RHS. RHS means right hand side terms. The value of plus 273 will come to that left hand side. From that right hand side, it becomes to negative 273. 330 minus 273 is equal 0 degrees Celsius. What is the reason? Here the plus 273 value, it becomes to negative 273 because the right side of the value of positive 273, it will come to that right hand side, it becomes to negative side. So 330 minus 273 is equal 0 degrees Celsius. Now we subtract the value of 273 from 330. 330 minus 273. That is, you have to subtract the value of 273 from 330. Here have to subtract the value of 3 from 10. We get the answer 7. 7. Okay friends, ఇక్కడ 12 had to subtract the value of 7 from 12. From we will get the answer 5. 5. 57. So that way here the 330 is the bigger value, so it has the positive sign, plus 57. So that's why 57 degrees Celsius. Therefore, hence we will get the answer 330 Kelvin is equal to 57 degrees Celsius. Okay students, once again, what is the given? The temperature of a steel rod is 300 Kelvin. Its temperature in degrees Celsius is. How to solve this problem? You can use the formula. The temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus degrees Celsius. That means the value of 273 is added to the given temperature degrees Celsius. We get the answer, the temperature on Kelvin scale. So that's a Kelvin scale. What is the given temperature? 330 Kelvin. That's why we use that 330 is equal to 273 plus 0 degrees Celsius. The right hand side of the positive value of 273, it will come to that left hand side, it becomes to negative 273. Therefore, 330 minus 273 is equal 0 degree. Had to subtract the value of 273 from 330, we get the answer 57. Therefore, hence 300 Kelvin is equal 57 degrees Celsius. Okay, students, next one. The doctor checked the body temperature of a 10th class student and said his body temperature is 1 is 310 Kelvin. The body temperature of that boy in degrees Celsius is question mark. Okay, students, once again, try to look at the given problem. The doctor checked the body temperature of a 10th class student and said his body temperature is 310 Kelvin. The body temperature of that boy in degrees Celsius is question mark. And here, what is the given? Here given that body temperature of the student is given 330 Kelvin, and the temperature of the 10th class student boy is given the temperature Kelvin scale. On Kelvin scale, now the Kelvin scale is converted into degrees Celsius. Have to convert Kelvin scale into degree Celsius scale, or degree Celsius scale is converted into Kelvin scale. Which is the formula? Temperature in Kelvin is equal 273 plus temperature in degrees Celsius. Here given the temperature of the student 310 Kelvin. Therefore, hence the value of 310 substitute Kelvin 310 is equal to 273 plus temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay, the value of 273, it will come to that left hand side. It becomes to that negative 273. 310 minus 273 is equal to degrees Celsius. Now we subtract the value of 273 from 310. The value of 273 subtract from 310, we get the answer. Subtract 3 from 10, we get the answer 7. Okay, students, we get the answer. We have to subtract the value of 273 from 310. We get the answer 37. Okay, 37 degrees Celsius. Therefore, hence 310 Kelvin is equal to 37 degrees Celsius. 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, students, we have to convert one scale to another scale, that is the degree Celsius scale into Kelvin scale, or Kelvin scale is converted into degree scale. We use the formula temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus the temperature in degree Celsius. We will get the answer. Okay, friends, tomorrow we'll continue next class.